Hi Pia, this is the video you're asking for. This is Tito Eric's vehicle. Ford. And then ayun yung bangka niya. And that is the garage. Duplex tong bahay. Okay? Yung kabilang wala ng tao. Pero kakatanim lang namin ng puno na yan. And then, nagtanim ako. Yun, may maple tree sa harap. Nagtanim ako ng mga flowers. Yun, tulips yun. Yan, pero wala na yung bulaklak. Ito yung main entrance. Dito tayo. 842 State Street. Okay? Ito yung door. Yan yung harap. Trash day today. So, pagpasok mo, inagad makikita mo si Hershey. And then may door dito, lalagyan ng mga sapatos. Yan, mga jacket. So, syempre, mga lalaki nakatira. Ito. Maliit lang yung bahay. It's a fireplace and TV. Kung makita mo yun, yung wood na yun, yung ano ng kalay-kayin ng mga aso, ng pusa. Kasi nagkakaykay. Then yung TV. Then all games, PS3, Wii. Then yung I think this is 50 inches TV. HD. Yan. Yung sofa kung saan nakahiga lagi si Hershey. Okay. DVDs. The rocking chair. And okay. Don't worry, hindi naman amoy aso. Dahil lagi naglilinis si Mommy. Ayan, ako lang gumawa niyan. Okay. And this is the kitchen. Ayan, mga bigay ko rin kay Tito Eric. From Las Vegas sa kay Tita. Yung laman ng ref. Mga leftover. Ayan. Nakatago yung bagoong ko. Ayun. Ayan. See? Yung fresh milk tsaka chocolate. Yung mga gulay. May pinya. Ay, watermelon. Ang Caterban cheese. Tira namin kagabi pork chop grilled. Tsaka potatoes. Yan. Puro frozen. Pizza. Ice cream. Siyempre, may atay. Sa akin yan. Ngayon, lugar ng pusa. Kainan niya. That's Lydia. Then the cooking. Yan yung oven. Closet. Kitchen. Okay. Kain ng dog. Tapos dito kumakain yung aso. Yan lang. Maliit lang yan. Ako na naglagay niyan. Kitchen counter. So, lang mo kami. kusina. Okay. And video. Doing it. He's cleaning the room. What's that? Babe? And I discovered one thing. Actually, not me. Him. Me. And then in the hallway, going down to the basement. Our styler's room. Okay, yung exercise. Okay, this is bed. Tsaka yun, nasa likod na yung washer, dryer. What?
Back downstairs? It's clean.
I have to clean the hallway. That's where Eric's wife is. Okay. That's Karen's spot. Actually. As you can see, puro picture. And this is actually Zach's room. Green and yellow. It's the Packers color. Football thing. And he has his own computer room. Okay. And the rest room. And there's Mommy! Kakaligo ko lang. And the bathtub. Shower room. Bathtub. Yeah. And the wing. Maliit lang siya pero malinis. Okay. This is the door to the room now. You've seen this most of the time. Okay. Mga abubot. These are my things. Okay. Then drawer. Then ito na yung closet. Imagine mo, konti na lang yung damitan ni Mommy, oh. And towels, cups. Okay. And this door will lead to the patio, where we used to grill, and then labas na. Okay. These are the flowers they used to. Ito tanim lahat ni Eric yan. It's Zach's bike. Yan, hanggang doon yung sa may garahe. Sa garage yun, yan. Hanggang doon sa may maple tree. Yun hanggang doon sa may taniman niya. Meron akong tanim doon na sili. I got the chili and tomatoes and yung mga beans. Green beans. Bushes siya and roses. Okay. Walang tao sa kabilang door. Okay, yes. Okay. Who is here? So, my weapon. Boog splash. Okay. Bye-bye. Time to go now. Bye-bye. Love you, baby. Just to show you. Bye-bye, mama.